Excuse me, could you help me for a moment? I am looking at this big electronic schedule board, but I find it a little bit confusing.
Of course, I would be happy to help. Where are you trying to go today?
I am trying to find the next train to Oxford. I see many numbers and cities, but I don't see Oxford on the main list.
Ah, I see why you are confused. The board usually shows the final destination of the train. The train to Oxford is actually the one going to Worcester. Oxford is just one of the stops on that route.
Oh, I understand now. So I should look for the final stop, not my stop. Let me see. Is that the 10:15 train on platform 4?
Let me check my tablet. Actually, no. The 10:15 train is delayed by 15 minutes because of some technical problems on the tracks. The new departure time is 10:30.
10:30. Okay. Does this board show which platforms the trains leave from?
Yes. Look at the last column on the right. It says platform. For the 10:30 train, the platform number is not there yet. Usually, it appears about 10 minutes before the train arrives.
I see. Should I wait here in the main hall until the platform number appears?
Yes, that is the best thing to do. Once you see Platform 5 or Platform 6 next to your train, you can go through the ticket gates.
Thank you. And how often do the trains go to Oxford? If I miss this one, is there another one soon?
Don't worry, the service is very frequent. There is a train to Oxford every 30 minutes throughout the day.
That is great to know. One more thing. What does calling at mean on the screen? I see it under the train time.
Calling at is just a list of all the stations where the train will stop. If you see Oxford in that list, you are on the right train.
That is very clear now. Thank you so much for explaining everything to me. I feel much more confident now.
You are very welcome. If you have any more questions, I will be right here. Have a pleasant trip.